Alright guys, how's it going? So just to start this video, I wanted to give a really quick thank you to all our new subscribers that we've gained over the last few weeks and months, I guess. And just on the back of that, just bear with us while we're putting up the new videos. Obviously we're back at home now. We're both working quite a lot at the minute to save up money, so obviously the videos have been a little bit lacking since Scotland. But on the back of that, we're heading off to New Zealand soon, so as soon as we go out there, the videos are going to ramp up quite a lot. Hopefully maybe even back to weekly videos, which would be awesome. So yeah, so just bear with us with that. And then that brings me on to this video. So I'm not sure if any or many of you know, but I am actually a snowboard instructor. That's what I'm doing for work right now. So last month I headed to Austria to meet a friend who has gone out there to work for the season. So yeah, so I'll film my time away out there, and that's what this video is about. So I hope you enjoy, and bear with us, stick around, and we'll see you soon. Alright, cheers guys. Alright guys, how are we doing? So we just landed in Salzburg in Austria. We're going to go and stay in Zell for a week and do some snowboarding and see the sights around there, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Salzburg's pretty nice as well. I've just managed to tackle the bus system and get myself a ticket so I can get there. Bus should be coming in about 10 minutes, so yeah, can't wait. It's going to be a really good week.
day to day.